Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I trust that you are well and keeping safe. If you are new, a very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. It is highly appreciated. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can file your tax returns for a company that has been dormant. Firstly, ensure that your portfolio and your taxpayer show your company's name. Then you are going to go to the left side and click on returns issued and then income tax. So you need to go click on request return in order for your return to load. Once it has loaded, you can see that it will have your company name, your tax number, the tax period and all of those details, and also when the due date is. So in order for you to start the process, you have to click on open and then you can start with your tax return process. So this pop-up gives you an opportunity to make any changes to the banking details, director details, contact details, and so forth if necessary. So if you do need to make those changes, then you'll click on no. If you don't, then you'll click on yes. For the sake of the video, we're going to click no so that we can make sure that all the details are correct. This functionality allows you to view and maintain registered details of the entity selected from the taxpayer list above. Click on continue below to obtain the existing detail from SARS. You may then view or update this information as necessary. So basically here you're agreeing that you have the authority to actually perform any changes. You have access to the following products of the entity selected from the taxpayer list above and will be able to view and maintain the registered details of these products in the registration and amendments view when you click on the continue button below. Now we're going to start filling out the form. Where you see red or maroon, then it means that you need to fill that information out, and if it's blue, then it means that the information has been captured correctly or everything is fine. Main industry classification code. So this is what industry your business was operating in or was intended to be operating in. So you will look for that code from the drop down menu. And now we're moving on to the banking details. So if you had a company that was operating and you had not updated your banking details yet, then you would be able to do so on this page. And then as you can see that you can add a new bank account and scroll to the bottom to be able to put in your banking details. But if your company was dormant, which is the case in this video, then you're going to click I declare that I have no South African bank account. And why? The company was dormant during the year of assessment. While you're on this page, go on ahead and make sure all your other details are correct, from your address to your contact details and so forth. Now that we are done with amending all the necessary details, we are going to click on yes so we can continue with the rest of the form. A dormant company is a company that did not operate during the specified period of time. It did not buy or sell any products. It did not offer any services or anything of that nature. No activity was happening in that business. A VDP is a process by which SARS extends an opportunity to taxpayers to allow them to disclose for any defaults on their income taxes for prior periods of assessment. A successful applicant usually receives a waiver from penalties imposed and must only settle the outstanding income tax liability and accrued interest on overdue payment. Special economic zones within South Africa are geographically designated areas set aside for specifically targeted economic activities to promote national economic growth and exports by using support measures to attract foreign and domestic investments and technology. So, qualifying company can be defined as a company carrying on business from a fixed place of business situated within a special economic zone. What is the reason for dormancy? So, protection or reservation of company name and readiness for future project is keeping your company name and just keeping your company on standby in preparation for using it in the future. Then you have holding assets or intellectual property. That refers to assets such as patents, trademarks, designs, copyright, and trade secrets. Ceased operations, the establishment has gone out of business or closed and does not plan to reopen. Insolvent. In terms of this approach, a company is regarded as technically insolvent and thus financially distressed if the liabilities of the company exceed the assets. Shelf company. This refers to a private company that's been registered for the purpose of reselling it. Sometimes entrepreneurs and business owners often need a company registration number within 24 hours, and the only way of getting that is buying a private company that's never been traded with, but that's already registered at the CIPC. Holding company. A holding company is a company whose primary business is holding a controlling interest in the securities of other companies. So they are also usually referred to as a parent company that has subsidiaries under it. Is the company a party to any contract in terms of which it has undertaken to conduct any activity or hold any assets on behalf of another person during the current or future year of assessment? Seeing that your business was not operating, chances are that is a no. Once everything is blue, you are now ready to file the return. And then, as you can see, your return has been successfully submitted. You may then click on continue so that you can see the results of your assessment. So, open. You did not make any money during the previous year of assessment, so that automatically means that you do not owe SARS anything. So this is just a breakdown of all of your details and everything that you would have filled out in the previous form. And yeah, that is about it. You can go through it, you can save it and keep it for future reference if needs be. Otherwise, it is all done, you are all done. Once you are done going through the assessment notice, you can then go ahead and just click on close. And that brings us to the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that this video was very helpful. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.